In the last episode, I installed the RGB fans in the PC case. In this episode, I'll be testing the build before the final assembly. Make sure to watch till the end as I reveal an important hint. Stay tuned. I start by inserting the RAMs. These are two 16GB Viper DDR 6400 MHz sticks. In inserting, I made sure that the ends are opened and then pushed it down till it snapped. Next, I connected the power supply to the CPU port on the motherboard. Then the power supply to the main board itself. Then I connected the 8-pin connector of the power supply to the graphics card. Then I fixed the graphics card in the PCI slot. I made sure that it aligns perfectly and then press it till it snaps. Next, I connected the pins of the LED. The reset button. Power switch. As well as the front buttons of the PC case. Then the connectors for the USB slot and audio of the front panel. Then I connect the RGB fans to the power supply and the board and test the build to see if everything works till now. I connected the SSD to the SATA slot. I then disconnect the power supply from the mains and also for the CPU on the board. And then install the CPU. I latch it well. And then I fix the CPU fan. Connect its pins to the fan port of the board as well, and also its RGB connection. I started a test to see if everything was working till now and then turned it off. As usual, links to purchase these parts are in the description. I connected the HDMI cable and turned the build on. The PC did not post as I had forgotten one thing. I realized I did not connect the power supply to the CPU port. This is the benefit of testing your build before the final assembly. It prevents a lot of headaches, especially if you're a beginner. I connected it and everything works. That's it for this episode. In the next episode, I'll be assembling everything in the case. Catch you in the next one.